Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Starting it out in You Pull and Pay. Looking for a Dodge Dakota, see if it's got what appears to be a good coil. I'm looking for the V6, so I don't know how that's going to work out. It's supposed to be a 98 out here. I hope it ain't one of these. Yep, oh, that's a Durango. Let me keep looking. Looking for the coil, so I can swap that one out with this guy. Another Durango. Heck, the Durango might have the coil I need. See, it's got the tags on the back. You can peep those kind of quick. Ew, grease. Here it is. It's a sport. Might be a V8. Let's see what we got. Got the coil there. Connector looks a little different, so I'd have to take the connector with them. I heard they were changing the connector all the dang on time. So let me pull this coil and see how this works. These coils are probably the same on different Dodges. There's one there, different connector than on this 2000 over here, but the coil looks the same. So I bet these can be swapped out. Let me look around for a newer one. 99 Dodge Ram, what appears to be a newer coil. So I'm gonna pull that and go swap it out. I'm gonna take the pigtail too. XC90. Pull this sun visor. Actually, it's a sunroof. For my boy, the seal's starting to look weathered, but hey, it's probably better than the one he's got leaking. So I'm gonna pull this sunroof, see if it leaks. If it does, we'll just bring it back. Placed on that Dakota. If you look there, there's cracks in it. 1 crack, 2 crack, 3 crack. That crack goes all the way around to the other side. Coils, distributor caps, another crack there. Rotor buttons, they don't like cracks, so it's probably why that thing was exploded. Now this 98 had nuts on the side of the bracket, and the 99 and newer, the screws screw into the bracket, so that's an improvement from 98 to 99. If you got any questions, go ahead and post, and I'll report in the next couple of days to let you know if the truck is still stalling. We got a sunroof leak in this XC90. I think it's a 06 model. So we're going to replace the glass, see if that cures it. And if not, we're going to inspect the inside, see where the water's coming in from. Really simple to pull the glass. You got this little skirt thing here. You pull that out of its holder. They just clip in those metal clips up there. Then you pull that screw there, that screw there. Go over the other side, do the same thing, and this glass will lift right out of the truck. Alright, the sunroof is out. Now they tried to seal it with some RTV or something. So we're going to have to get all this stuff out of here and put the replacement roof down there and then do some leak check. So let us get the scraping, get all this stuff scraped off of here. See, stuff down in the tracks, leaves and all that kind of crap, that stops the water from flowing right. But you can see where they tried to stop leaks with RTV sealant and stuff like that. These roofs are not sealed with the sunroof per se. That'll stop about 98% of the water. the little bit of water that does go through is supposed to fall in the channels of the track and go down the drains. Now if you come in here and look, you'll see the sunroof drain here. If that's clogged, it'll back up and leak in the car. That goes down and drains out the body of the car, out of that plug right there, which that plug is not properly inserted into the bottle, into the body, so that could be an issue. So we're going to blow these out, make sure they're clear, and hook this stuff up so that we know that the drains are functioning properly. You got these stops here in the back of this. They are up in here like this. You push them up, pull them out of the way, then you can slide the shade out the back of the sunroof track. Now you can work on that material. We're about to get rained out, so we're going to set the sunroof in the hole and see if we get some leakage. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.